In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in LibreOffice Writer. Let's start by launching LibreOffice Writer. You can work in a new document or open one you're already editing. Comments are perfect for leaving notes, questions, or revision suggestions without changing the main text, so they're ideal for collaboration or your own review passes. Next, decide exactly where the comment should live. If your note applies to a single point, click once to place the cursor at that spot. If your feedback refers to a sentence or a specific phrase, click and drag to highlight that text first. Highlighting anchors the comment to that exact passage, which makes it clear what your note is about. Take a moment to make your selection precise. Include punctuation if your feedback involves it, and avoid extra spaces so the anchor is tidy. Now, add the comment using the main menu. Go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Comment. This is the most straightforward way and works whether you've placed the cursor or selected a range. When you do this, you'll see a colored comment box appear in the right margin, connected to your text by a line. That box is where you'll type your message. If you prefer using the Context menu, you can also right-click on your highlighted text and select Insert Comment from the menu that appears. This is especially handy when you've already selected a passage and want a quick, direct path to commenting. The result is the same. A comment box appears on the right. Once the box is visible, click inside it and type your message. Be clear and specific so the reader knows exactly what action to take or what to consider. For instance, you might explain why a change is needed, point to a style guideline, or ask a clarifying question. Keep it concise but informative. The colored box helps distinguish comments, and in collaborative documents, different colors can make contributions easier to identify at a glance. As you type, the comment is linked to the cursor position or the highlighted text you anchored earlier. You can add as many comments as you need, and they'll stack neatly along the margin. If a comment relates to a larger idea, it's better to anchor it to the relevant sentence or phrase so the connection remains obvious. That's all it takes to add comments in LibreOffice Writer. Place your cursor or highlight a section, use Insert Comment or right-click and choose Insert Comment, and then type your note in the margin box. Simple, clear, and effective for clean collaboration.